What's up, you guys? It's Alan. The Yeezy 500 Slate drops today. I have never owned a pair of the 500s. I've always contemplated, like, I like the salt colorway, but I wasn't too sure if that sneaker would work for me, the silhouette. But the 500 Slate is, I mean, it's got my attention. Let's say that. Let's take a closer look at the Adidas Yeezy 500 High. Now the box is larger than earlier models. This colorway is called the Slate, like in the type of rock. Retail was $220 USD, 18K in Indian rupees. Very muted colors. There are multiple layers and materials. There's some soft tumble leather, suede on the toe box. A rubber mudguard runs through the shoe. The neoprene is very plush and padded. I'm thinking that's bound to make them warmer. Now there isn't much difference except the addition of the ankle collar between this and other 500s. They just extended the regular 500 upwards and replaced the mesh with neoprene like on the stone colorway. Now, do you notice the forward slant of the heel though? I'm not sure if that serves a function. You must know that the tongue is attached to the shoe. You have subtle hits of 3M on the sneaker. And the heel part, it has all the four materials lined up: rubber, tumble leather, suede and neoprene. Now if I'm honest, I prefer the medial side of the sneaker way better than the lateral. They should have kept that split tooling on both sides of the sneaker because I personally think it lends it a good aggressive look. That's a very different looking sneaker. You have your typical Attribution outsole and your ortholite insole. Keeping this video brief, I'm going to throw these bad boys on feet to show you what they look like. Make sure to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.